Now we're out here on the shores looking at the houses that are being built. We're standing on one of the lots here at this beautiful 350-acre development that was created by Sunbelt Land Management, which they have 50 years plus of experience in developing coastal waterfront communities, all of very high quality. At this community, you have 5 different choices of home builders, 3 of which are Skubert Homes, New Vision, and Beaumont Builders. Behind me, you have a beautiful intercoastal home being built by New Vision, which is going to span 2 lots, so you get a lot more of that intercoastal view. You can build on 1 lot, 2 lots, 3 lots. It just depends on what you're looking for. The community consists of 196 home sites in phase 1 and phase 2, 62 of which are directly on the intercoastal waterway. The property behind me is a custom-built home on 2 lots so that you can get a little more wide range view of the water. Although every lot is big and you can build on 1 lot and have a beautiful home, 2 lots or 3 lots. There's also beautiful interior lots here to choose from where you can still have rocket launch views from your front yard or your backyard. This community is just about to blast off, and I can't wait to see where it goes. Behind me is a beautiful outdoor space where you can have outdoor living or you can build a pool so you still have the beautiful intercoastal sunrise views every day from your bedroom. Behind me is another example of a beautiful custom home being built at the shores. This one is not on the intercoastal, but it does have a pond view and it's beautiful, as you can see. Here's an example of a single lot house that's under construction, almost complete, by New Vision Builders at the shores. A few of the beautiful things about this property is the unobstructed rocket launch views from the backyard, along with the gorgeous wildlife, including dolphins, birds, and of course, the ever so gorgeous sunrise views every morning.